In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive notes in Google Keep. If you've archived a note by mistake, or you simply need to bring an older note back into your main notes view, Google Keep makes that process very quick. Archived notes are not deleted, so they remain safely stored in your account until you're ready to use them again. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find them and how to restore them to your active notes list. To begin, go to your Google Keep dashboard. This is the main home area where all of your notes are stored and organized. If you're already signed into your Google account, Google Keep should open directly to your notes. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded so you can see the menu and your note options clearly. Next, look over to the left-hand menu. This is where Google Keep organizes different sections such as notes, reminders, labels, and archived content. From this menu, click on Archive. This opens the Archive section, which contains notes you've chosen to remove from your main dashboard without deleting them. This area is useful for storing notes you don't need every day, but still want to keep for later. Once you're inside the Archive section, find the note you want to unarchive. When you hover your mouse over that note, a row of action icons will appear. Look for the icon that shows Files with a vertical arrow on it. Click that icon to unarchive the note. As soon as you do, the note will be removed from the archive and returned to your main notes view. If you don't immediately see the note disappear, give the page a second to refresh visually. In most cases, the change happens instantly. A helpful tip here is to double check the main notes section afterward if you want to confirm that the note has been restored successfully. And that's all it takes to unarchive a note in Google Keep. It's a simple feature, but it can be very useful if you like to keep your workspace tidy without losing access to important information. Now you know how to go into your archive, locate a stored note, and bring it back whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.